Action. David Smith here with a flipped classroom math video. Today's topic is a problem of the week. This one is called How Much for Broken Eggs? I'm going to start by telling the story of this situation. There's a lady farmer and she's taking her eggs to market. Unfortunately, along the way, she hits a bump, her cart gets knocked over, and all the eggs get broken on the ground. Kind of a bummer. However, our lady farmer is pretty smart. She has insurance to cover accidents like this. So she can go to her insurance agent and tell them about the situation, and she can get money back to replace those eggs. There's one problem. She doesn't know how many eggs she has. And that's the problem that you need to figure out for this problem of the week. We also call these POWs. Okay, fortunately, she does have some information that we can use to help figure out how many eggs she had. Okay, so pay close attention. Action. Okay, what she remembers is that when she grouped the eggs in groups of 2, there was 1 egg left over. When she grouped them in groups of 3, there were also 1 egg left over, and so on. Action. So you can see I filled in the chart here. So when she grouped them in 3, 4, 5, or 6, there was always 1 left over. However, when she grouped them in groups of 7, suddenly there were no eggs left over. Okay? So there's enough information here for you to actually solve the problem. So the first thing we're going to do in class is partner up and start playing around with these numbers. You probably want a pencil and paper, or you want to come up to the whiteboard and just start getting a feel for this problem. For example, if I had 4 eggs, would that work? And the answer is no, 4 eggs doesn't work, because in groups of 2, that would mean I'd have 2 eggs here and 2 eggs there. There's groups of 2, there's none left over. Okay, so that doesn't work. Let's try 5 eggs. What if she had 5 eggs? That would mean groups of 2 would be, here's a group of 2, here's a group of 2, and now there's 1 left over. That works. Unfortunately, that won't work for groups of 3. Okay? So that's one approach. There's other approaches, and I wish you the best of luck with this POW. In future videos, we'll talk about the elements of your write-up, and there's also a few more pieces in the solution that you're going to need to figure out. That's all I got today. Thanks for watching. Give me a like down below or subscribe.